A limiting reactant is the one which a. is taken in lesser quantity in grams as compared to the other reactant, b. is taken in lesser quantity in volume as compared to the other reactant, c. gives the minimum amount of the product which is required, d. gives equal amount of the reactants and products. The correct answer is option C. The atomic number of an element is determined by the number of a. neutrons, b. electrons, c. protons, d. nucleons. The correct answer is option C. protons. Which of the following is the most electronegative element? A. hydrogen, b. fluorine, c. oxygen, d. chlorine. The correct answer is option B. fluorine. The molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, B, C6H6C, C12H22O11, D, C5H10O5. The correct answer is option A, C6H12O6. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Isotopes with even atomic masses are comparatively abundant, B. Isotopes with odd atomic masses are comparatively abundant, C. Isotopes with even atomic masses and even atomic numbers are comparatively abundant. D. Isotopes with even atomic masses and odd atomic numbers are comparatively abundant. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following is an example of a covalent bond? A. NaCl, B. MgOCH2O, D. KCl. The correct answer is option C. H2O. The pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius is A. 7, B. 0, C. 14, D. 1. The correct answer is option A. 7. The process of removing electrons from an atom or ion is known as A. reduction, B. oxidation, C. sublimation, D. condensation. The correct answer is option B. oxidation. Which of the following elements forms the strongest hydrogen bonds? A. carbon, B. nitrogen, C. sulfur, D. phosphorus. The correct answer is option B. nitrogen. Many elements have fractional atomic masses. This is because A. the mass of atom is itself fractional. B. atomic masses are average masses of isobars. C. atomic masses are masses of isotopes, D. atomic masses are average masses of isotopes proportional to their relative abundance. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following compounds is polar? A. CO2, B. CCl4, C. CH4, D. H2O. The correct answer is option D. H2O. What is the hybridization of carbon atoms in ethene, C2H4? A. sp, B. sp2, C. sp3, D. sp3D. The correct answer is option B. sp2. The Avogadro constant is defined as the number of particles in A. 1 gram of any substance, B. 1 kilogram of any substance, C. 1 mole of any substance, D. 1 liter of any substance. The correct answer is option C. 1 mole of any substance. Which of the following is a weak acid? A. HCl, B. H2SO4, C. HNO3, D. CH3COOH. The correct answer is option D. CH3COOH. The mass of 1 mole of electrons is A. 1.008 mg, B. 0.55 mg, C. 0.184 mg, D. 1.673 mg. The correct answer is option B. The general formula for alkanes is A. CnH2n, B. CnH2n plus 2, C. CnH2n minus 2, D. CnH2n plus 1. The correct answer is option B. CnH2n plus 2. The major component of natural gas is A. ethane, B. propane, C. butane, D. methane. The correct answer is option D. methane. Which of the following reactions is an example of a substitution reaction? A. CH4 plus Cl2 produces CH3Cl plus HCl, B. 2H2 plus O2 produces 2H2O, C. C2H4 plus H2 produces C2H6, D, C6H12O6 produces 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. The correct answer is option A. The oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is A, 2, B, for C6, D, -2. The correct answer is option C, +6. 27 gram of Al will react completely with how much mass of O2 to produce Al2O3, A, 8 gram of oxygen, B, 16 gram of oxygen, C, 32 gram of oxygen, D, 24 gram of oxygen. The correct answer is option D, 24 g of oxygen. The catalyst used in the hydrogenation of alkenes is A, palladium, B, nickel, C, platinum, D, copper. The correct answer is option B, nickel. Which of the following is an example of a Lewis acid? A, NH3, B, BF3COH-, D, Cl-. The correct answer is option B, BF3. In which of the following compounds does hydrogen exhibit a negative oxidation state? A, H2O, B, HCl-CNaH, D, CH. For the correct answer is option C, NaH. The main product of the complete combustion of ethane is A, C, B, COC, CO2, D, H2O. The correct answer is option C, CO2. The number of moles of CO2 which contain 8.0 g of oxygen, A, 0.25, B, 0.50, C, 1.0, D, 1.50. The correct answer is option A, 0.25 moles. Which of the following ions has a noble gas electron configuration? A, Na+, B, Mg2+, C, Cl, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH is A, methanol, B, ethanol, C, propanol, D, butanol. The correct answer is option B, ethanol. Which of the following is an amphoteric oxide? A, Na2O, B, Al2O3, C, SO2, D, CO2. The correct answer is option B, Al2O3. The mass number of an atom is equal to the number of A, protons, B, neutrons, C, protons and neutrons, D, electrons. The correct answer is option C, protons and neutrons. The largest number of molecules are present in A, 3.6 g of H2O, B, 4.8 g of C2H5OH, C, 2.8 g of CO, D, 5.4 g of N2O5. The correct answer is the largest number of molecules present in 3.6 gm of H20.